Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your channel Stock Doctor. On the Discord yesterday, I got 11 stocks to analyze. So I have analyzed them and I thought to record them so that you all will get some idea on the on those stocks from technical side. So the first stock is Apple. Currently, if you all see on the day chart, the Apple is trading in this channel. Currently, it is in mid of the channel and it has high probability to go towards 137.5 and 143. If it takes all-time high of 143, then it will try to go towards 147 to 150, which is coming as a channel top. The stock has a first support at 126 and the strong support at 118 on the closing basis. The second stock is Dash. If you see this stock, the stock was in extreme downtrend from $223 till 121, and on 9th of April it broke out with good volume, and on the second day it again went up by 5%. The first time it went up by 9.6, second as 5.2, and now at 1.1%. So I strongly feel that the stock might retrace till 147 and then again climb towards 160 and 172. So if it holds 140 very nicely, then high probability to go towards 159 and 170. So I would buy this stock now until $140. The stop loss for this stock is near $120 level. So the stop loss is quite far. So one can take the decision accordingly. The next stock is DKNG. Now, if you see at DKNG, it took the support of 57 to 55.50 levels many times on the closing basis. Sometime, in the past, it went below them, but it tried to manage close above 57 levels. So, and currently, it has the trend line support here, and the day before yesterday it tried to close below this support of trend line support, but yesterday it managed to close above that, and it has kind of hammer pattern here. So I feel that it has high probability to go towards its first resistance 64, second resistance 67, and third resistance at 71. So it looks good for to me to accumulate now until $57, and I will keep a stop loss somewhere below $55 on the closing basis. The next stock is Jamia. Jamia created head and shoulder pattern few days back, and it didn't close below this support area. The support area is coming between 31 and 33. This is very strong support area. If the stock starts trading below that support area, then I think the stock will go down till $20. Today it has created the doji pattern, and I think there is a tug of war between bulls and bears, but I strongly feel that the stock can go towards $40, and if it stays above that, then there is high probability that stock can go towards $47. So this is definitely in my buy list. The next stock is Neo. Neo has formed a very good support near $34. This is the horizontal support. The trend line, it is trading near the trend line support. If you see here is the trend line support. So it looks good to me to buy now until 36.5 levels. For the target of 40.40, the second target is 42.40, and the third target is 44.40. The stop loss would be near $34 on the closing basis. The next stock is Pins. Looks like Pins is at the channel stop. If you can see, this is the channel top and this is the channel bottom. And I think it looks like it's a good to book the profit in pins if you have bought the stock at lower levels. Um, Now the buy for this stock is coming above, either above 86.5 dollars or near its support. Now the support is coming in two batches. The first support is coming towards $75 and second support is coming towards $64. So if it breaks this resistance, then high probability of it to go towards 92, 97 and 102. Keep in mind that the RSI is at 64, so one can take position accordingly. The next stock is PLTR. PLTR is definitely in my buy list because PLTR has created bullish engulfing pattern yesterday. It has broken a trend line resistance and it is trading well above the trend line support. So it's good to buy now until $24 for the target of 27, 29, and 31. Uh, the supports are at 22.5 and 20.5. The next stock is Snap. Currently, it's a facing trend line resistance here, if you can see. And if the stock breaks $65 and stays above it, then it can go till 68 and onwards. On other hand, if the stock doesn't break this resistance, then it can go towards $55 and $50. The stock has very strong support at $50. The next stock is TLRY. The TLRY stock looks good to me because this stock was in the downtrend from last 2 months, you can see, and currently the RSI is oversold and it has very high chance to break this resistance. If it breaks this resistance with good volume, then definitely it will shoot up for the targets of 20.5, 23.3 and 27.5. So it looks good to me to buy now until $16.50 with the stop loss of 15.5 on the closing basis. If somebody is conservative trader, then he should wait until it breaks this trend line resistance. And with that confirmation, he can take the position. The next stock is Twitter. Twitter currently it's well above than the trend line support. So I'm a kind of conservative buyer when the stock is well above the trend line support. But current price action says that this stock can move towards 74.5 and 77.5, which is at the all-time high. And it has a support at $69 on the closing basis. This is for the aggressive traders. But if the stock comes to the trend line support, like this, somewhere here, then it's a good level to accumulate for me. The next stock is XPave. So current price action says that stock can move towards $37. And if it stays above it, then 39 and $42. If you see the stock has the uh, triangle pattern here. If it breaks above this $37, then high probability that it can go toward 39 and $42. So this could be potential buy if it trades above 37 for 39 and 42. Uh, so or one can buy now and keep the stop loss of uh, uh, 30 stop loss. Just a moment. One can buy now. It has good support near 33.5 levels. It has good support at 33.5 levels. So I think I should correct here. Uh, Stock has good support at 33 and 33.5 levels on closing basis. So, guys, I have shared a lot of all of this chart. I mean, uh, the stocks which I think they can go up, I have shared them. You can see here on the ideas channel. I have shared XPEV, PLTR. I think by mistake I have shared PLTR two times. Uh, so yeah, XPEV, PLTR, Neo, Jamia, DKNG, and Dash. These are one, two, three, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of these 11 stocks, these 6 stocks, I think they can perform. I have shared these stocks in the ideas. You can check, and yeah, you can. So let me know if you like these ideas and if you are learning from these ideas. And please try to like, comment, and subscribe my channel so that it will give me motivation to do more analysis for you all. And let's mint some money today. Thank you. Bye.